Hello and welcome to this week's Feature Friday. My name is Peter Messmer and I am the Director of Growth here at AddShoppers. And this week we're going to walk through how to set up your custom white labeled Facebook app so that everything you do with the AddShoppers platform is shared through your own brand's Facebook app rather than ours. So let's get started. Step number one is to pull up developers.facebook.com. I already have that pulled up. So once you have that up, go to My Apps in the top right. And if you haven't signed up yet, there will be a button that says Register. So just go through that and then do Create a New App. And we're going to choose Website. And then you'll just type in whatever the name of your brand is. And you'll create an app ID. And once you have that, then the next step is you don't have to worry about this, so you just need to put the site URL in here and then click next. You don't have to worry about this, so then once you're here, you're pretty much done with step number one. So then you'll go back up to the top and hit Skip Quick Start, and this will give you the app dashboard. So now, a couple steps here that will involve your AddShoppers dashboard. So copy your app ID over and pull up your AddShoppers dashboard. Click on your profile in the top right, and then Site Configuration, and then White Label, and then Facebook. Paste that app ID in, show your app secret, and then copy paste that in as well and click Update. So now we're done on this first screen. So now we're going to click over into Settings, and a couple things we need to fill out here. So the first is going to be your namespace. So fill out this field, and all this is it's going to be a unique text string. So put in whatever text string you want, and then go to app domains and fill out your domain. And then you're going to need to put in your privacy policy and terms of service URL, and you'll just use the same URL where you already have these on your site. So I'm just going to type in some dummy data here. And then you'll want to upload your app icon in 1024 by 1024 format, and then just click Save Changes. And then one more step here to paste over in the AddShoppers dashboard. So copy your namespace and paste that in under namespace, and then click Update. And now we're done with the basic settings. There are no advanced settings to worry about. So the next step is to click Add Product and do Facebook Login. Click Get Started, and that will add Facebook Login so that you can use that. Choose Web as your platform. This should pull up your site URL, but if not, make sure it's in there. Click Continue. Just click Continue on this. You don't have to worry about that. You don't have to worry about this. You don't have to worry about that. So just click back once you're done with that and go to Settings. Make sure that these first two options are enabled. And under this Valid Redirect field, you're going to need to enter two options here. So the first is going to be our redirect link, and this you can find this on this page, so you can just copy and paste that in. And the second is just going to be your domain. So once you have those two added, click Save Changes, and now we are almost done. Last step here is to submit it for review. So go to App Review and then click Yes to make it public. Hit Confirm and start a submission. Now you're going to want to choose two permissions here. So the first is going to be Publish Actions, and the second is going to be User Birthday. So just check those two and hit Add to Items. And then you're going to need to add some notes for Facebook as they go through the approval process. So hit Edit Notes for User Birthday. And we usually choose Sends a Birthday Gift or Greeting, but you can obviously choose whatever you want. when we're going to say web. And then there, you just want to insert the steps here that Facebook can use to test this out. We're going to have an example of the steps that you need on this page, so you can just copy and paste it in. And then you also need to upload a screencast. So we will also show you an example of a screencast that you can use to submit to Facebook. You're going to have to make your own screencast. You can't use ours, but we'll show you an example of what you'll do. Basically, what you want to do here is you'll show the Facebook login button on your site, and you'll make a video of yourself clicking on that button, showing the app approval pop up, and clicking approve, and that's basically it. And then for publish actions, there are also some notes that you'll need to fill out, very similar. So you're just going to want to check all of these checkboxes because we already take care of these steps for you. And you're going to want to choose this first option here lets people post to Facebook using Custom Composer, and we're doing this on the web. Similar thing with the steps. We'll show you what you can paste in there to use for these steps, and the screencast, similar to the login version. You're just going to take a video of yourself logging into Facebook and then sharing out a page or a product on your site, and then showing them what that looks like on your Facebook profile after it's been posted. So check the video below to see an example of what you should be recording. And again, make sure that you take your own video. You can't use ours, otherwise they will not approve your app. And once those two steps are complete, you'll hit this submit for a review button, and then hopefully within a couple days, Facebook will get back to you and say that they have approved your app. And at that point, you'll be good to go. If they don't approve your app, then you may need to change some things, and in that case, just reach out to us and let us know what trouble you're running into. And that is pretty much everything for the Feature Friday. Hope this was informative, and again, as always, let us know if you have any questions, and here is until next Feature Friday. Take care. Have a great weekend.